Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, NordVPN versus Surfshark. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to choose between NordVPN and Surfshark here, well, you are looking at the two absolute best options out there right now. Now, if you know, they are actually sister companies now under the same parent brand here. They operate completely independently and target totally different needs. So, it just comes down to what you need and what you may be expecting from the platform. So let's look at NordVPN first. Now, Nord here is the heavy-duty powerhouse of the industry. Now, it runs a massive network of over 9,000 servers and uses its custom Nord Links protocol to deliver blazing fast, stable speeds for heavy 4K streaming and gaming. Now, it recently rolled out a major design overhaul here, giving you a beautiful integrated map view and an unified search experience. So Nord really shines as an all-in-one security vault because it bundles in Threat Protection Pro, which acts like a next-gen antivirus that actively scans and quarantines malicious downloads before they can inflict your device or infect your device here. Now, it caps at you at like 10 simultaneous device connections, and you definitely have to watch out for steep price jumps when your initial 2-year contract automatically renews. Now, let's switch over to Surfshark. Now, its absolute superpower is household flexibility. Unlike Nord, Surfshark gives you completely unlimited simultaneous device connections. Now, meaning you can protect every single phone, laptop, and smart TV on your house under one single subscription. Now, it has a smaller network of about like 4,500 servers, but it heavily competes on speed thanks to the upgrade 100 gigabit per second server hardware. Now, Surfshark also packs in incredibly unique privacy tools like alternative ID, which instantly creates a burner persona and fake emo for sketchy online signups. Now, best of all, here it's significantly cheaper here, running around like $250 a month on its long-term plan with much friendlier renewal rates here. Now, ultimately, if you want an absolute tank of a VPN and built-in antivirus tech here and a lot more tools that you can access, well, in this case, you may want to look at NordVPN. But if you want to save some cash, protect an infinite number of family devices here without any caps, well, Surfshark is definitely the smarter pick. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.